Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As the title says, we're doing an unboxing of an iPad. This is the first iPad I ever owned. I have owned Android tablets before, but Android tablets, like, let's be honest, they suck at every single level. And Apple is like the only company who keeps updating all their stuff for like years. And it's not like a phone that you go change every 2 years. It's literally a device that you're gonna probably spend like 4 years, 5 years with. So I thought, why not get a product from Apple, because I know they're gonna update it until like a certain year. Okay, so I don't think I need I don't know why I brought a knife, but I don't think I need a knife for this unboxing. I'm not even gonna lie, I am excited for this iPad. It's huge. Okay, let me just pull it out. This is so cool that they do this. For example, you just do this and it comes out. So this is it. And it's basically the 32 gigs iPad 7 Wi-Fi and whatever else it comes with. Okay, that was pretty simple. It's so hard to open an iPad just because the box is like super big and there's no way for you to like do it in front of a camera. Because if oh my god, I'm just gonna open it down here and then I'll show. Oh my god! Oh my! What the heck? This is crazy. This is crazy big. What? Oh my god, what did I get myself into? Take a look at this. Oh my god, it is gorgeous. And watch what it says right here. It literally says Mini X's here. But we're gonna put the iPad on the side while we check what else is in the box, because this is an unboxing. Did you forget? And it comes with a cable. Obviously, we're gonna leave that right there because I don't need a cable right now. I literally, trust me, I own way too many Apple products in order to really need a cable. We get regular, boring Apple stickers. What the heck, Apple? It's time to remove the plastic. I'm honestly super excited about this. I don't know why. It's literally an Apple. Okay, it's Apple. Like, come on, people. You probably want to hear this, so I'm gonna shut up and let you enjoy the magic of an Apple product. Oh my god, I didn't even smell the box. Like, what am I doing? That's it. This is not normal. Is she dead? No, she's not dead. Just right off the bat, I wish the screen was brighter. Oh no, there we go.
Where's the United States? US. Let me connect it to my Wi-Fi. Oh my god.
I don't need a MacBook anymore. Like, this will do it for me. No, honestly, the reason why I got this iPad, first of all, I got it because it was huge. I noticed it was 10 inches, and also because it was really cheap. I was like, yes, come through. Also, if you haven't heard this song, like, I really recommend it. Like, you should really go ahead and do that. Like, to wrap up the video, because I know it's getting really, really long, and I don't want you guys to like waste your time or whatever. So I'm just gonna put the case on and then show you how it looks. If you want to know more about the tablet because you actually want to buy it, I will link a video down there from, I think, 9 to 5 Mac, where they actually get into all the specifications. I just know it's like a great thing because it's Apple. Like, you can trust Apple to give you like a great product, but if you want to know, or if you want to compare it to something else, then I'll leave the link down there so you can go ahead and, I don't know, do whatever you want to do. Apple Pay? Why would someone use Apple Pay on an iPad? So this is basically how it looks. You can see that it says Mini X's here, and that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching the unboxing of the iPad 7. If you want to buy this product, again, watch the other video, because this video gave you no information besides what comes in the box and the regular, like the iPad itself. So thank you so much for watching. All my social media will be down there. Bye.